now for Better Money Boston. I'm here with Nick Colantuno. He's a certified financial planner with Johnson Brunetti. When you set out to try to plan for retirement, you learn pretty quickly it can get overwhelming. There are so many things to consider. And Nick, I want to talk to you about this today because I think we get really excited by the prospect of retirement, and then you start to really work on the actual planning and you get a little stuck, right? There's income and taxes, healthcare, the list goes on.
You're exactly right, Megan. A lot gets thrown at you in this next phase of life. And what we've found doing what we do as financial planners, when people are approaching retirement, when people are considering retirement, they just have a lot of questions. So that's why we wanted to host this event. It's called our Road to Retirement Success. It's a unique financial planning event and dinner hosted by us at Johnson Brunetti. But really what we wanted to do is get a room full of all these other industry professionals that we find our clients need to connect with in this next phase of life.
Okay, so you're going to have a lot of people there, from planners to Medicare specialists, Social Security specialists, a licensed CPA, estate planning attorney. So this really is a unique opportunity that doesn't happen all the time for people to come in and get those questions answered.
Absolutely. You think of all these different professionals that we loop into the financial planning process when we're working with clients. It's a room full of people with unique industry expertise, and to get all of that under one roof and have your questions addressed, it's unique. It's awesome. We want everyone to be there.
Okay, and there are a lot of questions about retirement, and I know income is usually at the top, right?
Absolutely. And whenever you have income, you have taxes. So that's why we wanted the CPA there.
Okay, so this is a great opportunity. And if you have some of those questions maybe that are keeping you up at night, again, we want to go over some of the details for you. You can get registered right now, and seats are filling up quickly. Get yours reserved today. You can go to retireinboston.com to reserve your seat. Again, this is April 21st at 6 p.m. at Lake Pearl in Wrentham. It's the Road to Retirement Success event, and we want to see you there. So you can get your tickets now. Dinner's included, by the way. So go to retireinboston.com, and we'll see you at this very unique one-stop shop for all things retirement event.